Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we are going to see why to learn Python. So Python is a versatile programming language. So Python is fastest growing and most popular programming language. It is popular amongst software engineers, data analysts, accountants, mathematicians, scientists, network engineers, even kids also. So if you don't have earlier any programming knowledge, or if you are not belonging to computer science background, it is the ideal programming language to learn first, right? So here I have given comparison C program versus Python program. So to write hello world program in C language, you have to write 1 2 3 4 5 lines of code you have to write. And the same program, if you want to write in Python, you have to write just one line. So that is print hello world, and you will get hello world output. So that is the difference. So if you start learning C, it is not like that you can't learn C. You can learn C, but it is a bit difficult than Python. So Python is a high level programming language. So here simple English like statements are there. Because of that, it is very easy to learn and easy to understand also. Then I have listed out here 6 more reasons to learn Python. So it solves complex problems in less time with few lines of code than many other languages. Huge companies like Google, Spotify, Dropbox, Facebook are using this powerful language. Already we have seen this uh, difference of C Hello World program and Python's Hello World program. So we have to write very few lines of code in Python. Next is Python is a multi-purpose language, means for multiple application development you can use Python. So you can use Python in data analysis, AI, machine learning, web application development, mobile application development, desktop application development. So because of this, there are lots of job opportunities in these areas. So then Python is high level programming language. So I have told you, in high level programming language there are simple English like statements are written used for coding. So because of that, it is very easy to learn, easy to understand, and easy to implement logic. Then there is huge community of Python developers. When you are developing your application, if you are facing any issue or error, you will get its solution easily because there is huge community of Python developers. Next is Python is platform independent, means the program which you have run on Windows platform, the same program will run on Mac Linux platform. So that is the platform independent. Next is in Python there are various pre-built modules. Modules are there, packages are there, frameworks are there for implementation of complex tasks. For example, if you are doing data analysis, there are pandas, numpy, such a pre-built packages are available. Then if you are going for web application development, then there is Django is there, Flask is there for implementation of such a complex task. So because of this also, Python is very famous programming language, right? So in this way, I have covered why to learn Python in short way. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.